Hey folks, welcome back to, well, baking with Kevin. Why? Because Kelly doesn't like to bake and she needs cookies for church on Saturday. So guess who gets to do it? I do. But hey, it's going to be my show for this week. So don't come into this video thinking you're going to see something nice for supper, but you are going to see something nice for dessert. What are we cooking? We are cooking Reese's chocolate chip cookies, or Rolos. We're actually going to do half and half. So we bought some Reese's minis and Rolos minis. And what's the key thing? This nice small muffin tin. So first thing, preheat the oven, 350. Already got it turned on. It's preheating right now. Next, spray the pan. So we actually bought the pan baking spray, and I'm just gonna go over here. And we don't have paper towel. Can you get me napkins? Okay, well, Kelly gets me some napkins. So, we have flour, sugar, salt, vanilla, butter, eggs, brown sugar, chocolate chips. Pretty well all the bad stuff that you could want. So, I wanted to give you this because I want to wipe off some of this excess spray. Smells nice. It does.
Maybe it's got a butter flavor.
Yeah, butter or vanilla. Kind of. I don't know. Tastes pretty good. Okay, so what do we gotta do? We gotta beat some brown sugar, white sugar, and butter. So all the ingredients we have, this is a triple batch. So if you only want a third of it, one batch, you have to third everything. So first thing we're going to do is start off with 1.5 cups of softened butter. And yes, it's softened. We bought it yesterday and we left it out. And how many times have we go to bake and yeah, we got to use the old microwave.
Mm-hmm.
Soften our butter. The nice thing about butter is it has already, it's got measurements on it.
Brody's standing right over there in case something falls.
Of course he is. Just want to make sure this all lines up. So it is 1.5 cup, right? That's a lot of butter.
Well, it's a triple batch.
Not much butter left. Okay, dude, you are not getting butter. Okay? I'm telling you that right now.
Brody! And Kevin is filming this on the...
Oh, hey. It's my breaking news. Yes. Okay. This is actually being filmed. This is the debut. The new GoPro. The GoPro 8, GoPro Hero 8 Black that I have, I guess, bought Kelly or for Christmas, early Christmas kit. We always do that every year. So this year, because we wanted to use it. Normally, I go and buy these gifts and they sit in the house for 2 months before Christmas, all wrapped up. But this year, I had to get stuff that we needed. I needed a new monitor for the computer and so on. So, all right, back here. So that's 1.5 cups of butter. Now we're gonna do 1.5 1.5 cups of packed brown sugar. I had to buy new brown sugar too yesterday because yeah, we don't often use brown sugar other than when we bake. And like I said, not a whole lot of baking happens in this house, right there?
Mm-hmm.
And when it does, it's normally me, unless it's in a pre-box.
I made apple tarts.
Oh, I'm sorry. Oh, yes. Kelly made tarts. You want to know how hard that was? Take the tart shells out of the freezer. Take the apples already pre-cut out of the freezer.
Who cut them? I did.
You did?
Yes, I did.
Mm-hmm.
Yes, I did not make my own pastry.
No. Okay. So that was 1.5 cups, and now 3/4 cup white sugar. That's not 3/4 cup. That's 3/4 cup. Looks like Brody got on into this one.
Did you touch the measuring cups, Brony?
Hey Kelly,
Mm-hmm.
can you tell everybody how much flour and sugar we have?
You just didn't want to take the chance of having to go back out yesterday.
Yeah, because I didn't want to listen to you if I was wrong. Okay, so that is the butter, brown sugar, white sugar. So what we're going to do is we are going to stir that up. Once it's stirred up a little bit, we're going to add 3 eggs and 3 teaspoons of vanilla. Yeah, you can pause it. Yeah. Okay, so we beat the brown sugar, the butter, the normal sugar, the 3 eggs are all,
And the vanilla.
and the vanilla are all done. So now we're gonna add a 1.5 teaspoons, 1.5 teaspoons of salt.
Why don't you just do 1 because the butter was salted? So that will make up for
Well, I mean, that's,
Yeah.
I can do that. So
Yeah.
here we go. So that's there. Now we're gonna add 3 3¾ cup of flour. So I'm gonna start with the 3/4 cup. I'm gonna add it in nice and slow.
Daddy doing, Brody?
Not really sure.
He's not making cookies for you.
Nope. So, I'm going to let that go for a few minutes. And I'll bring you back when I'm ready to add these chocolate chips. Okay, the mix has gone a little bit. Now we're going to add in 3 cups.
Don't be stingy.
I won't be stingy.
That's not a full cup.
It's plenty.
Stingy.
Yeah.
Daddy's stingy. That's okay. We'll put some in the banana bread.
Okay, I'm going to finish this up. When I'm ready to put it into the baking pan, we'll bring you back. All right, we are back. Cleaned up a little bit. I had to clean up a mess Kelly made. She spilled the sugar.
Yeah, right. I'm sitting in the dining room. I ain't nowhere near him.
Yeah. Okay, so what we're doing here is we are putting the dough into the muffin tins. And if my nice assistant, well, she could have just took the camera right out of the tripod and brought it over.
I just tilted the tripod.
I don't know how well you can see. So you just kind of make them into balls and you push it in, push down in the center a little bit. And the recipe said for it to go halfway up the cup, but I'm finding that's not quite working out. But
Looks yummy.
it just kind of naturally forms when you push down on it. And I'm just kind of alternating between your Reese's, and actually should dump them out a little bit. Just alternating between Reese's and the rolls. So I'll tell you what, when the first batch is done, bring you back for a little taste test. And that's it. So we'll see you in a bit. Okay. We've got 2 dozen already cooked. There's another 2 dozen in the oven. Still got more batter left, but I think I got plans for that in the future. This cookie dough will freeze. So, anyways, we're gonna try one of these bad boys. This is the
Show them up close.
Peanut butter cup.
Pretty darn good. This is a Rolo.
Yeah.
Oh, yummy.
So I don't think I mentioned baked. Sorry, baked 12 to 15. I put them in for 15. So.
Okay.
And they're good. So that's it for this week with bacon with Kevin and not cooking. And why? Yeah, because my wife doesn't bake and she really needed these cookies. It was either that or go to the grocery store and buy 3 dozen cookies. Okay, anyways, we're not gonna have a show next week.
Yeah, we'll make one. We'll make another one.
Okay, maybe we will. Because I'm actually gonna be away next week. I'm leaving Sunday. I won't be back until later Thursday night. So.
Yeah, we'll make something before then.
Okay. Anyways, see everybody later.